Good afternoon, viewers. Today we have our MPC students with their volumetric analysis. So today they are doing the titration of KMnO4 against ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is mode salt solution. So let's speak to them. Yes, Shravya, what is your experiment for today?
Ma'am, firstly we have prepared out ferrous ammonium sulfate, 20 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Ma'am. Then next we added 10 ml of dilute H2SO4. So as colored.
What is that you have taken in a burette?
Potassium permanganate. That is potassium permanganate.
Potassium permanganate. Okay. Now are you titrating it?
Yes, ma'am. But we don't need to add any external
Indicator. Okay. Why?
Because it is a colored.
Good. For a colored solution, no need to add any external
First
indicator.
the color is this one, and
Okay.
at the end of the experiment, it is going to become
Pink.
pale.
Pink. Okay, you can continue with your titration. No? Yes, children. You got your pink color.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is your end point. Can you show it to me? Show it. Okay, this is your pink. Right. Good. What is your value? Reading on the burette? 21 point? 41.4. What is the initial reading?
20.5.
So just you subtract it, you will be getting your exact reading. Okay, go for 2 more titrations like this one, consecutive readings, so that we can continue with our calculation part. So here we have Trisha and her group with the same experiment. So let's speak to them about the experiment. Yes, Nala, Trisha, tell me.
Madam, we have conducted an experiment, estimation of potassium permanganate against ferrous ammonium sulfate.
Okay.
So, in this conical flask, we have added 20 ml of ferrous ammonium sulfate, ma'am, and 10 ml of diluted H2SO4, madam.
Very good.
And then we have started titration of potassium permanganate, madam.
Okay, good.
And we have titrated, and the end point is
Okay, pink.
yeah, ma'am.
So what is the initial color?
Initial color is like something
Colorless or like pale yellow?
yellow, madam.
Okay, so we can go like colorless. Now the end point has turned into like pink.
Pink, madam.
Okay, at what point, like what was your reading?
20.5, madam.
Very good. You are very close to the value. Right. Now you can go with the next 2 readings.
Okay.
And next we can go for a calculation. Okay. Done. We have Ishwarajal and group here. Right. Tell me, children, what is your practical about for today?
It is about potassium permanganate against ferrous ammonium sulfate, ma'am.
You got your end point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Pink color.
Yes, that is your pale pink color. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to, what was the initial color of that solution?
Initial color pale yellow, ma'am.
Pale yellow or little bit, yes, light, very light shaded.
Yes.
So after titrating you have got
Pink color.
pink color. Okay. Is this your first reading?
Yes, ma'am.
So go with your 2 readings, 2 more readings, 2 consecutive readings. Then we will go with our calculation part. Okay? Right. Yeah, we have one more group over here with that same set of practical. So let's speak to them. Yes, Sophie? Danya? Yes, ma. What is your practical today about how about your practical today?
Today we are here to estimate the amount of potassium permanganate solution versus oxalic
Ferrous ammonium sulfate. Previously it was oxalic acid. Now you are doing for ferrous ammonium sulfate. Okay. So what could be the end point?
Pink.
Pink. Pale pink. Is this your first reading?
Yes,
Is this your first reading?
no, ma'am. Second.
Second one. What was your first reading?
19.5.
Oh, very good. You are very close to the value. Good. All the best, Anna. Next 2 consecutive readings you do it, and next we will be moving on to our calculation part. Right? Right. Yeah, we have one more group, Preeti and group. Preeti, where are you? Okay. Ujjwala. Ujjwala is here, right? Who is Ujjwala here? No Ujjwala. Okay. Tell me, Nana, what is your practical about? Ashwita is here.
potassium permanganate in burette, ferrous ammonium sulfate in conical flask.
Yeah, you have pipetted it out. Right? So what did you add after taking that ferrous ammonium sulfate? Dilute
HCl.
H2SO4.
SO4 we have
How much you have added?
10 ml.
10 ml you have added. What is the initial color? Pale. Is it pink?
Yellow.
Yellow. Pale yellow type. Right. What could be the end point?
Pink.
Pale pink. It should be a permanent pink. Right. Some people are using extra amount. It is turning into dark brown, which is a wrong value actually. Okay. So it should be a pale pink, but that color should be a constant pink. If you keep it like that for a certain time, it turns into brown. So you need to be very cautious for the end point. Am I clear? So is it your first reading? Second one. Okay. What is your first reading? 21.2. Okay. You are also very close. So do one more reading, Nana. Yeah. Till the pink point, you will be noting down your readings. Okay. So we will be moving for our calculation part. So here we have Lahari and group with their set of practical. So let's interact with them. Right.
Today we are estimating with potassium permanganate.
You are estimating potassium permanganate using swirl it, don't stop it. More salt.
We took 20 ml of ferrous sulfate,
Ferrous ammonium sulfate.
and 10 ml of dilute H2SO4.
Okay.
And we are at the end we are expecting the pale pink
Color. Initially the color is like that. Okay. So at the end point, it should turn into pale pink, which should be permanent. Right. So is it your first reading or second one? Second reading. What is your first reading?
exactly 20.
So you are doing a great job. Right. So after this one, you will be moving on with third consecutive reading also. After that, we will be moving for our calculation part. Okay. Good. We have the last group, Sharanya and group, with their set of practical. Yes, Nana, how is going on? How your practical is going on? Sharanya.
Potassium permanganate is pipetting to
For potassium permanganate, you have taken in a burette.
yes, ma'am.
So what did you take in your conical flask?
Oxalic acid and concentrated
Is it oxalic acid?
ferrous.
Yeah, previously it was oxalic acid. Now it is ferrous ammonium sulfate. Repeat it.
Ferrous ammonia sulfate.
It is also called as more salt. So how much ml did you take?
20 ml.
20 ml you have taken to that. What did you add?
Concentrated H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4.
You have to be specific. Okay, don't get confused. So dilute H2SO4, 10 ml you have taken and you have started your titration. So what is the initial color? Pale yellow sort of thing. Okay, good. So what could be the end point? Already you might have done one reading, right?
Yes, ma'am. We got 21.5.
21.5. Okay. So first reading is it's okay. But as soon as you are coming across 18 or 19 like that, you have to be very cautious because a single drop is going to give you the end point. So certainly you might have crossed that point in the first reading.
Yes.
Now you be cautious. Make sure that you are going to get the exact point. Okay. So after this one, take one more consecutive reading so that we will move on for our next calculation part. Okay. Right. Good job. Yes. Our solutions are ready. Final endpoints are ready with our students. So you can see there is a color change. Actually it was pink, but due to rapid oxidation, the color is slowly turning into brown. So as we can see, there is a lot of variation in the colors. That is end point. Though it was pink, it is turning into brown, as we can see over here. Can you show me? Yes. Right. Wait. Okay. No need. So after completion of the practical, we need to note down the readings like this one, and we should go with the calculation like this. Children, are you all ready with your set of readings? Yes. So as explained, same thing, Nana, in the same formula as explained it on the board. You substitute it You substitute your values and tell me the answer. Okay? Is it okay?